Speed hacks allow a cheater to move faster than normal and strafe in impossible ways midair. In this video, we'll be creating a speed check that sets a threshold on the XZ, or horizontal distance that a player can travel. Because speed can be boosted by things like the speed potion effect, running on ice, jumping onto slime blocks, or spamming jump while hitting your head, we must factor these things into our threshold. Building on the same structure as last time, I've added the aforementioned variables such as speed potion effect and block data to the player data class. The speed check will use all of these variables to intelligently set an XZ movement speed threshold. Our check runs when the player sends a movement packet, which is one of these 4 types of packets. After receiving the packet and doing some pre-processing, we will calculate the XZ distance that the player moved. Then we will set the threshold, which starts at a base value and can be increased by things like being on slime, having speed potion effect, being on slabs, being on ice, or being directly under a block. Then, if the player's XZ distance is greater than this threshold, we will increment a buffer, and once the buffer reaches a certain threshold, we will flag the player for using speed hacks. It's now time to playtest our check. We'll be testing it against many different modes of speed from 2 different clients. You can see the mode being used to the right of the word speed in the HUD. We will now be testing on Liquid Bounce client, which is one of the best and most popular free hack clients for Minecraft. As you'll see, this check detects most of the speed modes that Liquid Bounce has. Out of the 16 speed modes that Liquid Bounce has, this speed check is able to detect 13 of them. I tested this check a lot using ice, slime, and speed potions and didn't find any false positives. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video we'll be working on part 2 of our Kill Aura check.